Are you someone who gets agitated getting stuck in modern-day traffic? To some, commuting from the suburbs to the city on a daily basis could be rather frustrating. Are you someone who doesn't mind living within the concrete jungle and having to listen to the hustle and bustle of the city's streetscape? My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Today's episode on Design Seed, we will be sharing a young couple's lifestyle living in the heart of Kuala Lumpur City.
Many would say that living in the city could be rather stressful. For me, I feel like I'm a curious girl, yet to explore the growth of this rapidly changing city. I've always enjoyed indulging in modernization. It keeps me inspired and motivated to be an evolved version of myself.
This 1,300 square feet, 2-bedroom luxury residence is parked right in the doorsteps of Bukit Bintang. The design of the unit depicts the term luxury and class. The headboard design spans across the entire bedroom wall, furnished in a soft cushion padding with premium fabric texture to create a posh touch. This full-height padding feature wall improves the bedroom acoustics significantly, and at the same time, it is a pleasing hallmark. Using a slight border of black glass sliding across the feature headboard breaks the monotony. It then creates a strong abstract which adds character to the bedroom. A customized curve feature was installed on top of the existing window frame. This turns the window opening to have a higher and grandeur character in pair with the soft touch from the asphalt curtains. Whilst having a compact bedroom, it did not stop us from optimizing the layout by creating a display wardrobe cabinet which was adjacent to a dressing table. This display wardrobe was designed to have a floating effect, focusing in achieving a visual transparency for the bedroom. If the glass were to be replaced into a solid carpentry or the base storage cabinets were to go all the way to the timber floor, it would turn the entire dressing area into a dark and gloomy corner. The details of the carpentry design are one of the most important key factors that highlights this project a class above the usual. The chamfered edging profile application was used on the carefully selected Carrara marble, coupled with a subtle groove line that allows comfortable spacing to open the drawers. A feature wall color was selected to create a cozy yet elegant mood for the bedroom. The height of this feature pane that goes around the room had to be at this particular height. This would give the space a higher impression at the eye level. Imagine if the feature pane was highlighted at the middle, the entire composition would be destroyed. The living and dining area used to be on a 50-50 ratio, where the dining table would take up half of the space, in which made the living hall fairly cramped. We then decided to park the dining table adjacent to the kitchen island. By doing that, we created an arch with black mirror and a planter box which now makes the dining table an interesting corner for photography. This design concept now correlates the dry kitchen and dining table into a long statement that gives a refreshing new look to the property. The dry kitchen is furnished in earthy tonalities for the base cabinets. And for the worktop, a tin profile was applied to achieve a sleek and elegant result. This tin profile is known as Compact Plus. an innovative material made out of layers of craft paper and resin. It has a thickness of only 6 mm, yet capable to be highly resilient to heat, scratches, stains, and surface is also antibacterial. Tinted black glass was applied onto the doors of the overhang cabinets. When the internal carpentry lights are switched on, a hint of displays would surface, and when the lights are switched off, it hides off the content inside. When managing such a project with ample of high-valued materials going on, proper management and dedication needs to be present. Workmanship needs to be monitored. Detailed troubleshoots would be critical upon installation. Just the TV feature wall alone would require 4 to 6 packs of workers dealing with it at the same time. The value of a property could vary in terms of its strategic location and size. And this is relatable to the variation of total value of a renovation in terms of each individual's requirement and expectation. Solid wood strips in veneer and spray painted finish. Silver Emperado marble stone feature for the TV backdrop and dining tabletop. Rose gold trimmings, peppers across the TV cabinet. Customized curved ceiling feature, curved carpentry works, and wainscoting borders lining across the corridor. All these details combined together turns this living hall into a distinctive class of its own. If your lifestyle revolves around a particular habitation which you see a far side of your future, I would say there shouldn't be a limit to realizing your dream home. Do share your thoughts on the comment column below on what sort of a property would you consider as a dream home. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification button. Thank you for watching.